How to fix disabled accounts cannot be contacted on Instagram. So if you see this message in your chat, in your DMs, then it could be for a bunch of reasons. It could be a glitch, it could be due to violation of Instagram rules, and if the person deactivated his account. So I'll show you how to fix this. But if the person deactivated his account, you will not be able to fix that from your side. So let's start with opening Instagram and go into that specific chat. Let's say here I see the message, chat cannot be contacted. For that, we can firstly go ahead and restrict this account. For that, all you have to do is you need to tap on the account's name on the top, click on the three dots for options, and then choose restrict. With this way, you will refresh this DM, and to unrestrict, just go to your profile in the bottom right, tap three lines to open settings, and scroll down till restricted. Click next and tap unrestrict. Now, the second way how to fix this problem is to temporarily block the contact. So let's tap on the name once again, tap the three dots and choose block. I'm gonna block the contact, go back, refresh the Instagram, and now let's unblock this person. I'm gonna go back to the chat and click unblock on the bottom of the screen. Tap unblock once again. And now you should be able to send messages to your friend and just chat like you would normally do. But if this one didn't help as well, then the next thing we can do is we can unfollow this person. So go ahead and tap his name. After blocking, it will be already unfollowed, so you can just tap follow, then tap unfollow once again, refresh the page, and click follow. This should fix the problem. But if not still, then you can try to update the app if you have any new updates. So go ahead, open App Store or Google Play, find the Instagram, and if you can see blue button update, then just tap on it and wait for the app to be updated. And the last way is, of course, to reinstall the app. So just press and hold it on your home screen and click delete. Let's just wait till it will be updated, and then we'll reinstall the app. Great. Now let's go back to the home screen, press and hold its icon, tap remove, click delete, confirm, and then just go back to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall it back. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.